the ultimate welding machine for every temperature sensor. Temperature sensors are only as reliable as their weld quality. If your production is plagued by weak connections, resistance fluctuations, or high scrap rates, it's time to switch to TATE, the most trusted welding machine in the industry. Our precision-resistant spot welding machine is built to handle every type of temperature sensor, ensuring flawless welds and maximum durability. Compatible with PT Series Platinum sensors, PT50, PT100, PT200, PT500, PT1000. NTC and PTC thermistors, RTD sensors, thermocouples, K-type, J-type, T-type, E-type, R-type, S-type, N-type, microsensors, and custom applications. Why is TATE the best choice? All-in-one welding solution, designed to weld any temperature sensor with unmatched precision. Advanced heat control prevents overheating, oxidation, and weak welds. High speed and high quality production, reduced cycle time while maintaining perfect weld integrity. Trusted by industry leaders, the world's largest sensor manufacturers rely on TATE, so should you. End welding failures. Choose TATE today. Dealing with unstable resistance values? Our precision welding ensures sensor accuracy. Experiencing frequent defects and rework? TATE drastically reduces waste and improves yield. Need a future-proof solution? TATE adapts to all your current and future sensor welding needs. Act now, let's talk. Your competitors are already using TATE. Don't get left behind. Upgrade today. Tell WhatsApp +86106657.